Alright, here we go. Crazy time. Yep, more crazy time. Earlier they were fake biting each other. It was really weird. I wanted to get it on camera. Here we go. That's right. She's not going to win, but she's trying anyway. Go for the gold, Valeria. Go for the gold. Yep, there she goes. She's going to get her bell rung, but she doesn't care. Here we go. Yep, it's crazy time. Where are you? There she is. Provoke and run away. Provoke and run away. Puppy has clearly read The Art of War. Maybe not. Don't you run to me! Oh, wussing out. They're pausing for a snack break, like in cricket. Which stick should I eat? Oh. It's stick pile, gotta nom down on stick pile. It's super yummy and I want a stick now. Alright, I think that's all we're gonna get for now. Tune in tomorrow for Valeria's favorite stick.